What's up YouTube, 10 Arizona of the Dracolope crew here, and yes, it's been a while, but today I have a video for you. Now this video involves two things. One is an unboxing and the other is my EDC. And the EDC part is because of a tag from Leo Hardesty at Irish Zombie Nation of top 10 EDC items. However, I couldn't decide on which 10 to choose, Leo, so I'm just going to do my entire EDC. First item of which is the bag, and second item, my Victorinox Recruit Swiss Army knife, which is being retired, but its replacement for my EDC is the unboxing part of this video. So let's get on with it. I'm going to unpack the bag and put the contents on the table for you to see, and I'll then talk about the contents. Be right back. And we're back. Now in front of me I have my bag unpacked and everything that was in it. Just bear with me because I'm going to have to try and sort of manually control the camera here to pan you around. Now we have my first aid kit, fire kit, Pathfinder mug and 32 ounce Nalgene water bottle at the top, followed by the middle row, which is my collapsible wood stove, a Right in the Rain pad, Anchor 20,000 mAh power core and an Anchor Mini, an Astro Mini, which is I think 3,000 mAh. I can't remember exactly, I'll put it in the description below if I remember it. Renovo Trio water filter, and my favourite gloves, my Mechanics Fast Fit. And then down to the bottom row we have a bandana right here, my Lansky World Legal, a spare 18650 battery for my Through Night Archer 2C version 2, the Gerber Dime. Thank you very much, Leo, for recommending this tool. It is actually brilliant. A Colt tactical pen, if I remember correctly. Yep, Colt tactical pen. And as I have a bit of redundancy here, a Through Night tube. Now what's missing from this kit at the moment is my Swiss Army knife, but I have the replacement for that right here. Here we go. Now I was previously using the Victorinox Recruit, but I've got a bit of an upgrade, as you can see, to the Huntsman. And this particular version is in camouflage. As you can see, nice and brand new. So with this final item placed on my Mechanics glove, so I will zoom back in on it, and hopefully my autofocus will behave. Or not. If it doesn't, I'll just manual focus. There we go, if the autofocus didn't want to behave. But there we have my new Victorinox Huntsman, which is a knife I wanted to get ages ago, but I could not get it in the colour scheme here. This is a limited edition colour scheme, I believe. So, if I zoom back out and adjust my camera slightly. Sorry for the jerkiness there, folks. That was not intentional. And I'm going to have to move the tripod a bit. So, yeah. There is my EDC, Leo. Sorry it wasn't 10 items as your original tag specified, but I just couldn't choose which of my EDC items to pick. So, I decided to do everything. And finally, before I go, you can now see the comparison between the tools. The old Victorinox, which is beat to hell, that's the Recruit here, and my shiny new Victorinox Huntsman. So I'm not actually adding a new EDC item, I'm just replacing an old one with a slight upgrade. Anyway, that's all for now. If you like it, please subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below. And remember, be good to each other.